I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Sign in with an administrator account and note Wi-Fi passwords and any VPN or static IP details so you can reconnect. Once ready, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Status and choose Network Reset. This action removes network adapters and reinstalls drivers, so you're restoring defaults to fix corrupted settings. Do this now. It's the quickest way to undo complex configuration problems and reveal whether the issue is software or driver-related. Once you confirm the network reset, Windows will schedule a restart. Let it reboot and complete the reinstall process. After restart, make sure to open Device Manager, check network adapters, and update or roll back drivers if a generic driver causes issues. Next, clear cache settings with command prompt commands: ipconfig/flushtons, ipconfig/release, and ipconfig/renew. These refresh your IP and DNS entries. Also run Windows Update and the built-in network troubleshooter to catch remaining configuration errors or missing system. You finish by reconnecting to your Wi-Fi and re-entering credentials, then reapply any VPN or proxy settings you documented earlier. Make sure connectivity works by pinging 888 and loading websites. This confirms DNS and routing are functional. If you still lack internet, try rolling back the network driver in Device Manager or use System Restore to revert to a known good point. Also power cycle the router and check ISP status. Hardware or upstream outages can mimic local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.